Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for IOST. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here. As price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically, and we also notice a long wick reacting to the same key level. Now we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, as this is the lowest point prices hit before reversing drastically. Now we also notice a key level right here. We see price reacting as resistance, and over here we see price reacting to the same key level now as support, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. Now let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So here on the weekly we can go ahead and plot our swing high here. And what else do we notice? We can go ahead and plot a zone right here. As we see price come up, hit, and we see a reaction from the level. As we see price over here, the same key level is acting as support. We see the same level acting as support here, and as price breaks below, we see it acting now as resistance. Looking at recent price action here, we can go ahead and plot a key level here as we see price reacting to the level as support. We can go ahead and plot a key level here as we see price reacting to the level as support and resistance. And we see this long wick reacting to the same key level as resistance. Now, we can go ahead and see the same key level has acted as support here and support here. So, if we look at price over here, we can go ahead and plot a key support level right here. As we see price comes down, hit, reverse, price came down, hit, reverse, and as price broke through, price came back up, hit, and reversed, acting as resistance, where before the same key level acted as support. And now let's go to the right. We see price reacting to the same level here, and we see the price reacting to the same level over here. Now we can go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we see price come down, hit, reverse a little bit, this level acting as support. As it breaks through, we now see it acting as resistance. We see it acting as resistance. And over here, we see support and a reaction to the same key level. Now, we can go ahead and plot one more key level right here. As we see multiple reactions to this key level acting as resistance and support, support, we see a reaction to the same key level, and we see a long wick reacting to the level. Oh, didn't mean to do that. That's why we lock it. Over here, as I was saying, we see the same key level on this long wick here reacting as resistance. So, zooming out, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame for IOST. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.